Yes.
You can take advantage of this app just like you mentioned earlier. You said a friend is taking advantage of HelloTalk and is actually improving their language. First and foremost, I would say create moments once a week, maybe even twice a week, and post moments on your profile that are related to education, that are related to improving your language, so that when people visit your profile, they know your intention. They can get a better understanding of what your moments mean. With that being said, join groups. I think groups is a great way to start. When you join these groups and they have what's called voice calls, you can join the voice call. You can get to know other people that are on your similar path, and you can start to make friends and build a small little community around you. And once you make friends, you'll start to see the same people in other groups. And you say, oh, I remember you. You were in that group. And you start talking to them, and they might suggest to you, oh, look, you're serious about learning English. You seem like a real person. Let me invite you to this group. And you start joining groups. You start getting connected. After that, you may have the courage to join what's called the voice rooms. And the voice rooms is a really cool feature because these are like public group chats. Join that group
Yes.
call. Sometimes native speakers are running group calls. After you join the voice rooms, you can sit in the audience. Once you're in the audience and you listen to the conversation, if you think it's something that you're interested in, raise your hand and the moderator or the host will invite you to the stage and you can talk to people in the voice room. The voice room is essentially like a live but without cameras. It's just voice. HelloTalk does provide courses, and
Yes.
in their courses, I believe they provide like audio podcasts and whatnot. And you can also book a
And
class
one
with a native
question,
speaker.
Mustafa.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?